Spanish Christmas music can be enjoyed by everyone over the Christmas holiday, including native and non-native Spanish speakers. Some Spanish Christmas music includes traditional Christmas carols and hymns. Other songs may be more modern, inspired by pop music. Traditional Spanish Christmas songs may also be Spanish versions of English Christmas carols with translated lyrics. For example, there are Spanish versions of the popular English Christmas carols What Child Is This? And Silent Night. There's also a slightly different version of the 12 Days of Christmas available in Spanish. One of the more popular Spanish Christmas songs is Feliz Navidad, which translates to Merry Christmas. This song was written by Puerto Rican singer-songwriter Jose Feliciano 4 decades ago. Today, Feliz Navidad is considered by some to be a classic Spanish Christmas song. Many popular Spanish artists have recorded Christmas albums, including singer Luis Miguel. In 2006, Miguel released Navidades, a collection of Christmas songs that mixes the traditional with the more modern. Cuts on the album include Spanish versions of Santa Claus is Coming to Town and Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, along with Winter Wonderland. If you've got a Ricky Martin fan in the house, the Latin American pop idol did record a Christmas song called Ay Ay Ay, It's Christmas. The song was included on Rosie O'Donnell's 2000 album, Another Rosy Christmas. The song can be downloaded online. If you're looking for some Spanish Christmas music this year, consider searching online. Many retailers like Amazon.com, CD Universe, and BarnesandNoble.com offer Spanish Christmas music albums, songs, and downloads. Some Spanish Christmas albums are instrumentals as well. For more information on Spanish Christmas music, visit the link below.